So, good morning, children. Welcome back. So, previous session, we ended up with the various types of simple permanent tissue. The first category, that is parenchyma. And here, if you see, we learned about the first one, that is the first type of parenchyma, chlorenchyma, arenchyma, food storage, and water storage. So, now let us move on to the next category of uh, permanent tissue, simple permanent tissue. So here if you see, observe keenly, when you pull the branch bended and then it went on to its old position. So you pull it further and if you see, the stems are very tender yet hard, and the branch is able to bend. So it is having flexibility and as well as the strength to move back to its own position. So this is another tissue which is called as collenchyma, and what is its job? To provide mechanical support and help in easy bending. So now if you remember the structure of parenchymatic cells, they were spherical, more or less circular, with a thin cell wall. Now observe here, are the cell wall very thin? So if you see on the edges, if you the red ones, if you are able to keenly observe, these are the thickened edges. So only the edges are being thickened, and these are thickened by an extra chemical deposition which is called as pectin. So collenchyma, apart from being containing cellulose, it also has an extra deposition called as what? A pectin, which is going to be present only at the corners. Where? At the corners. So the cell walls are thicker, but where are they thicker? Only at the edges. And what is its chemical composition? They are made up of cellulose along with pectin. And if you see inside, what is this? This is cytoplasm. And what is this large empty space? Yes, this is vacuole. What is this? Vacuole. And the green region is what? That is your cytoplasm. So is it a living or a dead tissue, children? Yes, it is a living tissue because it contains abundant cytoplasm. But then its cells are thickened where? At the corners or at the edges. So thereby providing mechanical support to them such that they can help them in the easy bending of the branches of the young. So where could be the location? Yes, in the young stems and branches. But as the plant stems and the branches start growing older, the branches start taking up a new is going to be occupied by another tissue. Okay, so that let us discuss now.